Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. And today, here I have a 2017 Rusi Gala, which was donated to me for the channel, Lord. And I want to say that Mabuhay Philippines and Magandang Umaga. And today, what I'm going to do is I had to do a few things. I had to exchange out the ignition, then I had to clean out the carburetor, and I had to get a battery for it and everything. And now I want to find out if if it will start. So stick with me here, and we'll find out if it will start. There you have it. It's running. It's doing a good thing. But also I want to paint this, and I want to paint the rims, I want to paint the side panel here and everything, and I want to know what your all's thoughts are, or what color I should paint it. So go ahead and leave your comments below and let me know what color you think, and then when I get the top 3 or 4, I'll make a poll and we'll see what everybody chooses to paint this and everything. So that will probably be in the next episode, me prepping this to paint and everything. And thank you. Be safe. See you later.